Hey, what's up guys? This is a recap of the August 29th, 2013 Topps Tier 1 6-box break. Also, there's extra hits in here because I'd thrown in an extra box for free. So there's 7 boxes worth here. Alright, the relics are Royals, Billy Butler to $3.99. Cardinals, Adam Wainwright to $3.99. Brewers, Ryan Braun to $3.99. Red Sox, Jim Rice to $3.99. Mets, Dwight Gooden to $3.99. Orioles, Cal Ripken Jr. to $3.99. Then we had Giants, Orlando Cepeda, Legends Relic to $99. And Phillies, Ryan Howard, Dual Pinstripe Jersey Relic, numbered to 50. The autographs, I'll do the horizontal ones first. We had Rockies, Dexter Fowler to $2.99. Mets, Sean Markham to $2.99. Mariners, Hisashi Iwakuma to $2.99. Then we had Braves, Brian McCann to $99. And Reds, Jay Bruce to $99. The vertical autographs, Athletics, Josh Reddick to $3.99. Athletics again, Tommy Malone to $3.99. Royals, Salvador Perez to $3.99. Just also, some of them, it's not bad, but in like the top left corner, I don't know if you could see it, but there's like a little chipping on some of the cards. It's not terrible, but it's there. And we had Drew Storen's ridiculous autograph to $2.99. It's like an optical illusion. Neftali Feliz for the Rangers to $1.99. And the guy who's been following me around for the Athletics, Jared Parker, Silver Ink Auto, number 3/10. And finally we got redemptions. Redemptions. 4 redemptions. For the Rangers, On the Rise Auto base, Mike Alt. For the Giants, Tier 1 Auto Relic base, Madison Bumgarner. Then I couldn't decide which one I should show last, but we have the Tier 1 Auto Copper Rose Ink Parallel of Prince Fielder. I believe that's the case hit. That should be numbered to 25, I believe. I didn't see Copper Rose Ink Parallel on the sell sheet, but the red ink one says at 25, so I assume that that's what that is. Alright, nice hit, Tigers. And then finally, the hit of the break is the redemption for a Tier 1 relic of Pedro Martinez. Dun dun dun. Pretty sad that they had to include this as a redemption. Like, either don't put him in the product or, I mean, get a jersey from Pedro. Come on. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. And take care.